Tu es dit, aime-moi, prends-moi dans tes bras et je n'ai plus personne. Et ne laisse pas ton odeur imprégner mes draps. Et si tu m'abandonnes.
Hello, welcome to Motor Marvels. The Mercedes Maybach S680 epitomizes automotive luxury, combining exceptional performance with unparalleled comfort. Engine and performance. At its heart lies a handcrafted 6.0-liter V12 biturbo engine, delivering 621 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse enables the S680 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. Paired with a 9G-tronic 9-speed automatic transmission and 4MATIC all-wheel drive, the vehicle ensures a smooth and responsive driving experience. Exterior design. The S680's exterior exudes sophistication with its distinctive Maybach grille, V12 badging, and optional two-tone paintwork. The elongated body, measuring 215.3 inches in length, provides a commanding presence on the road. Standard 20-inch Maybach exclusive forged wheels enhance its elegant stance, while all LED lighting ensures clarity and style. Interior luxury. Inside, the cabin is a sanctuary of opulence. Extended wood trim, Napa leather ceiling, and heated wood leather steering wheel exemplify attention to detail. Rear passengers enjoy executive seating with options like reclining, massaging seats, and a panoramic sunroof. Advanced technology includes a 12.8-inch OLED touchscreen with the latest MBUX infotainment system, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and a 30-speaker Burmester audio system. Safety and driver assistance. The S680 is equipped with a suite of safety features, including active brake assist, active distance assist DISTRONIC, and active steering assist. These systems work in harmony to provide a secure and effortless driving experience. Pricing. As of 2025, the Mercedes Maybach S680 4MATIC starts at $234,300. Optional features and bespoke customization can significantly increase the final price, reflecting the vehicle's exclusivity and luxury.